Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to our Bee Blaster box kit activity video. This one's going to be pretty quick, so I'm just going to walk you through. Supplies will need everything that has a yellow dot on it. These might be in a little plastic baggie for you. You're going to need to grab your tape and your pipette bulb to start. You're going to want to put your tape on the back of that pipette bulb, and then it's going to go on the back of your bee. It's going to show you that here really quick. Once that part's done, you're going to be able to stick your little bee onto your straw and blow, and you'll have a little bee blaster rocket. This video was pretty quick, so if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at frankie@vadm.org, Frankie. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions, and if you have any pictures that you'd like to send along, we would love to see them.